Okay, we're going to change the battery in this fob. This has this little thing right here. You push it in and you pull it out, and there's your key. Then you could just take this key, put it in this hole right here, and kind of pry it open. Come on. Worked good last time. There we go. Just pry it open. Pry it open. Now on this side, you got your battery. You take a little knife. I'm not wearing my glasses, so this could be a struggle. Pop it out. Pop the next one in. Whoops. That looks like it's the wrong way. Sorry. Again with the glasses. Oh, that looks right. Huh. This has a different thing. Then pop it back together. Line it up. Push it back together. Put your key back in. It's ready to rock and roll. Hope you enjoyed it.